Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to replace the front fishing seat on my Ranger bass boat. As you can see, it has seen better days. After researching my options, I chose the Pro Bass seat made by Wise. I got it from overtons.com. It's got a 3-year warranty on the cover and a 6-year warranty on the plastic base. So, to get started, I'm going to reuse the pedestal and mount for the front fishing seat. As you can see, it's held in there with 4 screws. I'm going to use my screw gun. And install our new Wise Pro pedestal seat. It comes with some new mounting screws. So we're going to go ahead and put our mount right here, get it lined up with the screw holes. I'm going to start those by hand. I always like to start screws and bolts by hand. Get them a couple of turns in there so that way you make sure that you're not cross-threading them. All right, as simple as that. Put in the 4 screws, tighten them down, check the fit. Looks good. Get it installed.